Hi, hello, welcome to a new video. So for today's video, I'll be crocheting a whole summer outfit. I do live in Australia, so it is getting warmer here while you guys out in the northern hemisphere freezing your butts off. Well, I'm sweating my ass off. So anyways, I wanted to crochet a very neutral outfit because if you don't know me, maybe I've not shown myself enough yet, but my color palette is very light and pastel. So I wanted to crochet something more neutral, earthy tones because I feel like those type of colors you can really pair it with anything else and it still works, you know what I mean? So like the browns, the beige, white, I guess, even though white is not really a color, but anyways. And also I am a Taurus and earth sign, so I guess it is only fitting if I crochet myself a whole outfit that has really pretty earthy tones. I don't want to like mislead people that I came out with the designs or that it is my own pattern, so just putting out a disclaimer, and I'll leave the links to both the top and bottom patterns tutorial video in the description box below, and you can make them yourself as well. So without further rambling on, let's get to the video. Hi, it's me again. So for the top, I really wanted a very like, I don't know how to describe it, like baby doll, but I don't like that description. Like a very cutesy top, like one with like ruffles and like very kind of top. I don't know the word for it, but I hope the expression that I gave you is enough for you to get the vibe that I was going for. Okay, I don't know what I'm trying to punch on with you guys, but anyways, I just wanted to let you know that this design is by Chenda DIY, and I just want to let you know that, like, you know, I really love her pieces. I want to talk about the designer a little bit, if that's alright with you. This video may be very long, but I just want to give credit to each designer for these two patterns that I used. Chenda DIY, I freaking love all her designs. I've crocheted so many of her pieces. You might be able to recognize some of them like in videos, the ones that I've worn, or if you follow me on Instagram, you can see me working on those pieces. Most of them are from Chenda DIY with minor changes to my personal taste, but mostly I just follow her tutorial. So let me just play all the clips of me crocheting this top. It is you'll see. Yes, I'm filming this part right after I finish filming that video, because one thing about putting out content every week, it's like once I'm done with the project, I'm on to the next, because I only have a week to finish, and this week's project is a bit big. And because my videos are back to back and I literally have to start the next project after I finish one, I kind of forgot to film the start of this project, so I'm here to show you what I've been up to. Currently I'm making one side of the top, and then I'm just going to replicate the exact same shape for the other side. And this project requires me to use one of my favorite stitches, which is the lemon peel stitch. Isn't it so beautiful? Look at that. But so far this is what I've been working on, and because I filmed this video after the last video, this juicy pimple is still here. Look at that. It really hurts to talk as well. Anyways, let me get back to my right panel. So now I have two side panels like that. Now I'm gonna work on the back piece, and it's pretty much a rectangle. Since the back piece is just gonna be a rectangle, I'm gonna like skip the whole process because I think it's pretty boring to watch. So I'll just check back in with you guys when the back piece is done, or maybe when I've attached all of it together, so you can see something a bit more exciting than just a rectangular piece of fabric. So as you can see, I've attached the rectangular back piece to the two sides, and now I'm just gonna start crocheting the what you call that, sleeves. And for the sleeves, I kind of, oh actually, should I follow this line? No, I don't know if you can tell, but where this line is, I'm just gonna make it slightly lower like that. I think that's a bit too big, so I'm gonna shorten it, reattach it, because it looks like it's pretty loose and I don't want it to be loose. So we'll do, I should have measured how much I want to take it off, huh? Trying on the sleeve round 2. Alright, I think that's a good gap, I think. I'm currently over making the top, so instead of pushing myself to keep working on it, I'm gonna take a break from it and start on this skirt just for like a little change, a little breath of fresh air. So I decided to just hold on onto the top because I'm currently working on the sleeves, and it's one of those moments where you're just so excited for something to be done because you can't wait to wear it, but you still have a fair bit of work to go. So it's kind of like, is this really weird feeling that I can't describe in words. So instead of like forcing myself to finish crocheting the top, I'm gonna pause myself, take a break, and crochet the skirt. So for this skirt, I bought this big bag of yarn. It's on special. It's one of those, it says here factory overruns, but this whole bag for 400 grams was like $6, I think. I'm pretty sure it was $6 when I went to go buy it. They don't really tell you like what material it is or what size yarn it is. It just tells you it's 400 grams and it's 100% mixed fibers. So I can't tell you what it is, but what I can tell you is it's brown and it's 400 grams of it. Hi, it's me again. So for the bottom, I decided to go for a skirt, a long skirt, because I've always wanted to crochet a skirt, for me like a very long and flowy skirt, kind of flowy, but anyways. So I decided to go with this skirt by ABOC Studios on YouTube, maybe on Instagram as well. I'll leave everything down below, all the info. She is also another crochet designer that I really, I don't want to curse, but mess with. I just love the pieces that she creates. But as soon as I saw this skirt, I'm like, that's really cute. It gives me like beachy vibes as well. Honestly, the main reason besides like this skirt is cute, I knew that this skirt wasn't gonna take me ages to make because I'm pretty tall. So if I were to make a whole ass skirt with single crochets, it's gonna take me at least a week. And let me spoil it for you, I've received so many compliments when I wore this skirt, and everyone's like, oh my gosh, you should sell it, oh my gosh, you should make it for me, you know. But yes, anyways, now let's go watch myself crochet the Solomon knot skirt by ABOC Studios. Since I'm going for like an earthy neutral tone, I'm an earth sign, by the way. Let me know down below what your sign is. I'm an earth sign, Taurus gang. Okay, that was so cringe. Anyways, wow, it feels like acrylic, but like soft acrylic. So it probably is acrylic if it's selling for that cheap, $6 for 400 grams. So let me just show you the color next to the top so that you can see the vibe that I'm going for. This is the skirt color and this is gonna be the top. Can you like imagine it? Isn't it such a pretty like neutral earth tone color? So I'm gonna start on the skirt, and because this is not a tutorial, I'll just check back in with you guys when I've had quite a bit of progress, like enough to show you guys what's going on. But yeah, let's get crocheting. Hi, hello. I just wanted to update you guys that I'm pretty much done with this skirt. I think I'm left with like 2 or 3 more rows of the Why is it out of focus? But yes, I'm left with 2 or 3 more rows of these Solomon knots. But it is looking so freaking cute. Let me just... So lately, every time like I'm leaving a project without finishing it yet, I like to get an earring and just clip it at the end of the loop so that it doesn't untangle on its own. But this is how it's looking like. Oh my goodness, this is the back. You can see the slit starts where this double crochet ends. This is so freaking pretty. So the goal is to finish this skirt by today, because this week I have a pretty tight schedule, and if I don't finish this skirt by today, everything just crumbles. I'm exaggerating, but not really. I'm happy to announce that it is finally done. The skirt is done. I also added drawstrings to my skirt. I know you can't tell because I put it inside. Ta-da! You see? For this pattern, she did say that if your hips and waist are so like different in measurement, you might have to put drawstrings in. And when I tried it on, I did need to put drawstrings in, because when I like bend down, it like slides off, or like when I walk it slides off, because I guess I just have a thin waist and fat ass. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'm gonna block it tonight, and hopefully by tomorrow it will be dry and I can try it on and show you guys the... Actually no, you gotta wait till the end of the video to see the final look. But let's go block this and then we can go to sleep, and I'll see you tomorrow when I continue my top. So far we're on schedule. Am I losing a bit of my sleep time? Yes, but we're on schedule, and that's all that matters to me right now. Sleep, you can always sleep. You'll sleep forever when your time comes. I didn't mean to be so morbid, but anyways, bye bye. See you tomorrow. Hi, hello. Crusty Girl 96 is back with an update finally after several days. It's actually been like, I think 3 or 4 days since the last clip, because I was a busy girl. Anyways, I just want to show you guys the update, the progress. I finished both sleeves and I also added the ruffles. And this is what it's looking like. It's so freaking cute. Ba-ba-da-ba! Okay, it doesn't really, you know, you can't really tell how it's supposed to look like. But let me just try to put it on. I apologize for the bad lighting, but I really can't be stopped turning on my big light because the switch is outside of my room. Yeah, I don't know what's that all about, but it is what it is. But this is how it's looking like, the sleeves. And this is gonna be like the bust area. You can kind of picture how it's looking. And originally, the design, the ruffles are the same color as the top, but I decided to make it white because I like that combo. And I think by now, if you watch my previous my videos, you can tell that I love adding white ruffles, white trim to anything that I make, because I just think it's so freaking cute. Like for example, these bags, my Kindle cover, but wait, there's more. Card holders. This one isn't a ruffle, but it's a white like fluffy trim. We have in pink speckle yarn. We also have in the sage green yarn. It's kind of an obsession right now, and I think it won't ever go away because I just feel like it makes the piece look extra cute. Imagine my Kindle cover without the white trim. It's just blue. Just Hi, hello. You must be wondering why my face is so shiny. It's because I'm slugging my face because of how flaky it is. It's literally flaking off like Parmesan cheese. I'm about to sew the buttons, and I made a makeshift needle because I don't have needles at home right now, and it is past 5 p.m, so that means the shops are closed. I know. So lucky for me, I'm also a jewelry maker, so I do have jewelry wire. So I just cut a bit of it and created a little loop at the end to, you know, have like a thing to thread my yarn, and I hope it works. I don't see why it wouldn't work, but let's see if it works. Hi, hello. We're actually outside, can you believe that? But this is the only place where I can show you the full fit properly. I'll try to do the lighting better, hold on. I'm about to leave to go to the birthday party, and I thought to show you guys the full outfit before I leave. So yes, this is the full fit, the final look, and let me know what you think about it. I swear if my neighbors see me like this, I'll be so embarrassed, but anyways, whatever. So this is the top. Isn't it so cute? And this is a skirt. Let me back it up so you can see the full length. Please ignore my indoor slippers, but ta-da! And this is how it looks like at the back. Sorry to my family members that watches my video. I really want to show you the fit in good lighting, so please ignore my axes in the background. Haha, just kidding. Look at the slit, it's so pretty. And this is the front. It looks really, really cute. I really tried my best showing you guys the outfit. I apologize if, you know, the angles aren't great or you can't really see the fit properly. I'm very new to this, so please apologize. No, please cut me some slack. I apologize. But yeah, I hope you like this video, and I'll let the outro me say goodbye to you, and this is it for this video from me. But yes, I'm so out of breath from doing a fit check. I need to start working out. Oh my gosh. Oof. Hi, are you tired of seeing commentary me? Anyways, she is back with the last bit of commentary. The outro. Congratulations for getting to the end of the video without exiting because you're bored. But that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. It's still surreal to me that there are people watching my videos. Thank you though, I really appreciate it. I'm trying to do this full time and be able to earn some income, because you know how crazy the freaking world is. Everything's so expensive. You really need like 2 jobs to survive. That's how bad it is. So I really appreciate all the views, comments, likes to help me get partnership on YouTube and start earning money from my videos. I don't know why I had a brain fart, but anyways, enough of being so transparent to you. But yeah, let me know down below what you thought of this outfit, whether it matched. Would you make it for yourself? What about the colors that I chose? Was it pretty? I kind of want to make a pastel version. You see, I try to do something new and like out of my comfort zone, but I always go back to like pastel colors. I just love it so much. The skirt, I'm gonna make it in like so many different colors because I love how it looks, how it fits. So yeah, I'm gonna make at least like 5 more different colors. I'll see you guys in my next video. And my next video, is this a new thing we're doing? Like me spoiling you what the next video is? But yeah, the next video is a market prep. So I'll see you guys in that video, and you can see how I prep for a market, for a table, and all that fun stuff. But yeah, see ya, bye.